What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video, and in this one I want to break down what's going on with the overall market and talk about some very important data. I'm also going to talk about Tesla very briefly and break down how these charts are looking, what you should be watching for as time progresses. Let me first say that I'm not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button. It not only benefits me, it benefits the entire community as a whole. So what's going on with Tesla? So at the time I'm recording this, guys, the data for Tesla is not out. I think that it's actually a pretty smart idea to just record my video as I typically do anyways. And then once Tesla releases its data, I'll make another one, just a super quick update, and then update you guys on how the numbers are looking. And the reason I want to do it this way is because I don't know when Tesla's deliveries numbers are coming out. It could be coming out within the next 12 minutes. That's when they're scheduled to release them, or it could be another hour from now. So I just think it's best for me to just record a video, talk about the pre-market, talk about how the market's looking, in my opinion, approaching Jerome Powell's speech, and then make another video about Tesla if it doesn't come out while I'm recording this. So with that being said, guys, let's just talk about the market. As you guys know, Tesla's going to be reporting their deliveries for today between 8:30 a.m. and 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It should be today. It's been consistently released on the second day of the month, but sometimes it's delayed in terms of the actual timing. So it could be like 9:30, could be 10, could be even like on schedule. So we'll just have to wait and see. I'm not 100% sure about the timing, so I'd prefer just waiting instead of actually. I'd prefer just recording a video instead of actually just waiting for it in real time. So for data that's coming out, please remember that for Tuesday, April 2nd, which is today, we have the JOLTS job openings report, the JOLTS job quits, and all of this important jobs numbers that are going to be coming out 30 minutes after the market opens. So look for a big move at about 10 o'clock a.m. Get ready for all this data. Then we have Bowman, Williams, Mester, and Dowley all giving speeches from 10:10 to about 1:30 p.m. And we have all these Fed speakers in preparation for Jerome Powell. Powell's going to be giving a speech at 12:10 p.m. So we want to be very careful with all of this. And so far, we're actually seeing a very interesting reaction. Now, the reason why the market's a little bit down is because some of the inflationary indicators, such as new orders and the PMI reports, were showing some not just strength in the economy, but growth in a way that could lead to higher inflation. That's part of why the market is a little bit fearful right now. So it may remain like this approaching Jerome Powell's speech. Now, when it comes to other things affecting the markets, we have some news that came out right here. We have a new quarter so far. The market's on a very slow note to start us off. There's also news coming out that the IPO market is showing some life again as we have more coming out, such as Rubrik as well announcing its earnings. Not its earnings, its IPO date. Microsoft is going to be selling its chat and video app team separately from its Office product. That's a big move that they're making after some new potential penalties that could have emerged. So that's a big change. I'm not going to talk too much about anything too political. The United Airlines is also asking its pilots to take voluntary unpaid time off next month, as it's trying to kind of like deal with these delivery delays of Boeing aircraft. That's some big news that's happening right over here, and we're going to see how things go for that. But that's pretty much it when it comes to the main headlines thus far. As far as our option chain goes, this hasn't really updated yet, so there's not really a whole lot going on, but we are seeing some weakness on SPY. And there's also news about Elon Musk. Is he getting in the way of their sales for Tesla? The answer is yes and no. No, for the most part, because Tesla's sales will continue to grow despite Elon Musk, in my opinion. But yes, to some extent, because there are a lot of people who don't want to really buy Teslas because of all the politics that got involved. But I don't think that he's like a big blame. I just think that there are some people out there who won't buy Teslas because of him, but the majority of people are still going to buy them. They're still going to do what they have to do, and they're not going to let that get in the way. That's why Tesla's still selling 400,000, 500,000 almost every single quarter. High numbers like that still. Anyways, going back to the charts, Tesla's looking bearish as of right now. As soon as these numbers come out, expect a big reaction. Tesla might fall all the way down below 165, all the way down to the 150s, or it might launch all the way back up into like the 184 plus area. We'll have to just wait and see once the data comes out. When is it coming out? It's scheduled to come out within 8 minutes, but I don't know for sure exactly when. It could be a little bit delayed, so I find it best to just make this video anyways, just to be safe. For Nvda, we're looking bearish because we just lost 892. So watch this thing kind of decline a little bit towards 885 as the market's declining. If we lose that, watch 877. for SPY, we're showing some weakness as well. We're just testing our 200 EMA 519 for our hourly time frame. Watch resistance at 520. If we lose this, we're going to be coming down to 518. I think SPY might actually continue to decline towards 518. They look more bearish to me. And then if that fails us, 517.5 could be coming next. We also have the QQQ looking more bearish. Going to be looking for a move all the way down towards 440. And if that fails us, this imbalance will take us down to 438. If anything, we look very, very bearish. Watch 442 as resistance alongside 443, but I do want to note the QQQ looks kind of bearish. Look at Aapl. Apple's looking a bit more bearish as well. Going to be looking at support at 169. Resistance is going to be at this white trend line at 170. If we lose 169, we're going to be coming all the way down to 168, then 167.5. I see some potential downside for Aapl. The chart is looking a bit more bearish. And we also have a few more. We have like Palantir looking kind of bearish, barely holding 22. Look for a test of that, then 21.8 should be coming. Supermicro is still, it was outperforming, and now it's coming back down. So we're going to be watching key support 1,000. If we lose 1,000, watch 980, then 950. Watch resistance at 1,020. We're actually showing some weakness now because of the whole market slowing down. Amazon's coming down just a bit. Watch this 180 support. If we lose this, we're going to be coming all the way down to about 178. So just be careful. For Meta is also looking kind of weak. If we continue to sink, I'm going to be watching 485. If we don't hold that, a bigger drop is coming. This could have been a nice breakup, but now it's starting to fail because of the market. So watch 485 as key support on Meta, and we'll have to see how things go. So with that being said, that's it for your update. As of right now, Tesla's not making much of a move. I think it's best to just wait. I think that the way I did this is actually going to work a lot better, so that you have an update just in case Tesla takes another hour to release its deliveries, or it could happen within the next 10 minutes. So whatever time it takes Tesla, I'm still going to give you guys an update anyways. So keep in mind, I'll have one more video coming out for Tesla. And then until then, this is going to be your quick pre-market update video. So thank you all so much for listening. Market's looking kind of bearish because of the data we got from yesterday. And then don't forget, we have Jerome Powell giving a speech on Wednesday. So the market may continue to decline as time goes on approaching Jerome Powell's speech. And then we'll see if Powell gives us some kind of pump or not. Powell's going to be giving a speech on Wednesday, by the way, at around noon. So I wouldn't be surprised if the market remains bearish approaching him. So we'll see how things go. But please know the market has some weakness, and we have to be prepared for this. We have to be ready no matter what. All right, so let's wait for Tesla's deliveries. It should be coming out very soon. Maybe within 5 minutes, maybe within 30 minutes. Who knows exactly when? That's like kind of hard to determine. So that's why I just wanted to release this video just to be safe. And then I'll update you guys a little bit later as well. All right, thank you for listening. Have a good one, and peace out.